Welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can access UMR provider portal. Now once you go in UMR provider portal, it's going to show you multiple login options, and I will show you how you guys can reach there. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. Where it says search, you want to search for UMR provider portal just like this. And after you search for it, the first option over here where it says umr.com, you want to click on it. Once you do that, it'll take you to the official website of UMR portal. Now once you're in this page over here, you can see where it says login at the top right. You want to click on login. Once you do this, over here where it says select one, you want to choose which type of account you have. So I have a provider account, so I will choose provider. Click on login over here. Once I do that, it's going to take me to the provider's login page. And make sure to choose whichever account you have, alright? And once you're in this login page, what you want to do is enter where it says your ID or your email. I'm going to enter my ID, and where it says password, I will enter the password of my account and click on continue, and I should be able to log in into my UMR provider portal. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then.